Hey everyone, this is a short video. If you are finding a roadmap to learn React from basic to advanced, this is the best roadmap that I suggest to you. So first go to roadmap.sh, then find the React developer roadmap. Not only React, there are so many things to follow as a developer to learn everything like full stack development, DevOps, machine learning, AI and data science, data engineering, cybersecurity, technical writing, UI, UX, so many things. Also game development things. So you can go to roadmap.sh. This is the platform I follow. So if you think this is the good platform, you too as well, put a comment below in the comment section. Now this is the React developer roadmap. First you have to learn JavaScript, then CLI tools. After that you can follow components related things. Then you can move to rendering concepts and those of stuff. Then you can learn state management. Next, writing CSS like that. So go to roadmap.sh and find the React developer roadmap and go ahead.